Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is September 10th, 2023. This is my weekly market review where I review the Dow 30 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. Quick overview, still green quarter. Starting off with a red month, getting a bearish looking pattern on the weekly chart. Had a bearish pattern last week when we did get confirmation of that pattern, came down and actually filled the gap that we expected, got a little bit of a bounce and reversing. But let's go ahead and zoom in and take a closer look at all this and see what's going on. Let me do that right quick and wrap this on up. On that quarterly chart, as we say, we've had some downward pressure on this, trying to get above this top here and all, which is kind of expected. And we're beginning to form a doji, so we got to kind of like just wait and see what happens there. We're staying above pivot as expected. We're staying below this level, came back below this level, and staying definitely below this other level that I kind of expected on my larger time frame. On this monthly picture, we was expecting a red month last month. We said there is a possibility of having a second red month before this thing actually decides to try to go higher, or it can end up going lower. But I think now it's going to have a hard time actually breaking below all this cluster that we had here these past few months on the Dow. And the Dow is the one that hasn't been really going anywhere. If you guys with your 401ks and you're wondering what's going on, you're not making any money, because look at the picture. The picture, this market hasn't gone anywhere. We are starting off with a red month, and this thing can continue to the downside. Let's take a quick look at the weekly chart. We're getting a bearish looking pattern here on the weekly thing. The thing is where we get confirmation where we're going to be opening up on this monthly thing now below pivot and end up going lower. I have to kind of just wait and see what actually happens there. On the daily chart, we did have a bearish pattern on the daily chart, and we did drop. Now we're getting a bullish looking pattern where this thing may be reversing. All we're going to be doing on Monday is looking for confirmation of this bullish looking pattern. But if we don't get that confirmation of this bullish looking pattern, we can be expecting we had a leg down kind of base, went up, a leg down, kind of trying to go back up, and it can end up just going back down. Right now with the stochastic, we are getting a little bit of a support to the downside, so we have to kind of like wait and see what's going to happen here. But that's it. That's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.